Hey everybody, welcome back to the Real World Garage. Just was doing a little thinking on tools and such, and it dawned on me about doing something an economical way, or let's say a cheaper way. Anybody ever wonder about wanting or having a portable air compressor so that they could go and run a 1/2-inch impact or something? Well, if all you've got to run is a 1/2-inch impact, let me show you this. This may be of some benefit to you. Okay, I'm sure everybody knows what this is. This is the little small portable one plug-in Harbor Freight generators. About, I think it depends on which model you buy. They've got some newer ones, I think, to go up to 9 amps. This one says 6.5 amps on the top and says, I think it actually says 7 amps in the book. So, you know, Chinesium, you just never can tell. But I'm gonna tell you what, I've had this generator for 2 or 3 years. Actually ran it running an air conditioner pulling 11 amps one day, and it actually worked. It worked it hard, but it worked. But anyway, back to the story. What I got to thinking was, if you needed a portable impact, and I know there's a lot of folks out there that are trying to get by on the cheap, and you ain't got the money to go buy it. Maybe you haven't got the money to go buy a cordless impact. But if you catch this generator on sale, you can get these, pick these up for I think $88. And laying behind it, I have my 1/2-inch drive, what is it, Chicago electric 1/2-inch impact. I've had this for a couple of years and it has worked almost flawlessly. Had no issues with it. I've taken off a bunch of tires, taken off a bunch of axles, taking off harmonic balancer nuts and bolts with it. It's worked pretty good. So, but let me show you what I got going here. Show you how well it works. It'll be a little hard to do one-handed, but we'll get it. Anyway, guys, I just was thinking that might be a little cheap tip that could be of some benefit to you, because if you're able to use the generator, you will have a small generator around the house in case you have a problem, power goes out. You can run a few lights. You can't run a refrigerator with it or anything like that. And you don't have to worry about having compressed air to have an impact around. So maybe that's some benefit to you. Y'all have a good day. Thanks for coming along. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Check out our other videos and tool reviews. We also work in the garage where I teach my kids the art and craft of auto mechanics.